Garmin and Amazfit have both announced their new entry in the rugged smartwatch market, paving the way for an epic clash. The highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 and the powerful Amazfit T Rex 3 are competing for the top spot on your wrist. These recently released devices promise to push the limits of what we expect from adventure-ready wearables. In this video, we'll go over the specifications, features, and real-world performance of these two powerhouses. From ultra-marathoners to deep-sea divers, ski tourers to obstacle course racers, we're here to help you determine which of these advanced smartwatches will be your ultimate training and adventure partner. The Amazfit T Rex 3 has a durable design with a polymer central frame and a stainless steel bezel. It measures 48.5 by 48.5 by 13.75 mm and weighs 68.3 grams. It has 10 ATM water resistance and fulfills military-grade durability standards. The Garmin Fenix 8 is available in three sizes: 43 mm, 47 mm, and 51 mm. With a fiber-reinforced polymer case and steel or titanium choices. It has a more luxury appearance and feel, with adjustable bands and enhanced materials such as sapphire glass available. Both watches have a 5-button navigation system and touchscreens, while the Fenix 8's elevated right side has a minor resemblance to the Apple Watch Ultra. The Amazfit T Rex 3 has a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with 480 by 480 resolution and 322 ppi. With the ambient light sensor active, it can reach a maximum brightness of 1978 candela per square meter. To control the brightness, the display uses PWM at 60 Hz. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 8 lets you choose between AMOLED and memory in pixel screens. Both watches have always-on display capabilities and high outdoor readability, with the Fenix 8 offering more display options to suit user preferences. Both watches have an incredible set of sensors. The Amazfit T Rex 3 comes equipped with a PPG biometric sensor for monitoring heart rate and blood oxygen levels, as well as an acceleration sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, barometric altimeter, ambient light sensor, and temperature sensor. It supports dual-band and 6 satellite positioning systems to ensure precise GPS tracking. The Garmin Fenix 8 has similar capabilities and adds some upgrades. It includes an upgraded heart rate sensor for more accuracy and multi-band GNSS for better location. The Fenix 8 also has sensors for tide tracking and diving activities, making it ideal for water sport lovers. Both watches include altimeters, barometers, and compasses to provide extensive environmental sensing. While both have wide sensor lists, the Fenix 8 drives ahead due to its more specialized sensors and enhanced GPS capabilities. In terms of connectivity, the Amazfit T Rex 3 supports Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, and BLE. It is compatible with a range of fitness equipment, including running power meters, bicycle accessories, and heart rate belts. The Garmin Fenix 8 offers similar connectivity options with Bluetooth 5.2, ANT+, and Wi-Fi. However, it adds Garmin's proprietary satellite messaging system, allowing for direct communication between Garmin devices. Both watches can sync data with third-party apps like Strava and receive smartphone notifications. The Fenix 8 has a slight edge with its ability to handle phone calls via its built-in microphone and speaker, a feature absent in the T Rex 3. Both watches provide extensive health monitoring. The Amazfit T Rex 3 monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, sleep stages and breathing quality, and calculates a PI or Personal Activity Intelligence score. It supports menstrual cycle monitoring and one-tap measures for rapid health checks. The Garmin Fenix 8 has similar functionality but also has more advanced data such as training readiness, endurance, and hill scores. It also supports nap tracking and broader sleep analysis. While both provide comprehensive health insights, the Fenix 8 provides greater in-depth analysis and training-specific health indicators, targeting to professional athletes and fitness fanatics looking for detailed performance statistics. The Amazfit T Rex 3 has an astonishing 177 athletic modes, including unique activities like hula hooping and chess. It includes advanced running features, interval training, and automatic workout identification for strength training. In contrast, the Garmin Fenix 8 has a comparable set of sports profiles, but it also includes additional specialized capabilities such as dynamic routing for runs and rides, sophisticated cycling analytics, and a full-fledged dive computer mode for scuba and freediving. Both watches contain route navigation, however the Fenix 8 has more comprehensive mapping abilities. While the T Rex 3 covers a wide range of activities, the Fenix 8 is more detailed in its sports monitoring and analysis. The Amazfit T Rex 3 has a microphone for voice memos and offline voice control, but no speaker. It features music storage and control, weather predictions, and a compass. The Garmin Fenix 8 goes even farther, with an included LED torch for vision and navigation in low-light circumstances. It also supports Garmin Pay for contactless payments and has more advanced navigation features such as topographical maps. Both watches include configurable watch faces and widget systems. The Fenix 8 has a more comprehensive ecosystem of apps and widgets available through the Connect IQ store, as well as the ability to make on-the-wrist phone conversations. The Amazfit T Rex 3 has a 700 mAh battery that claims to last up to 27 days in typical use or 18 days in heavy use. In GPS mode, it has a runtime of up to 42 hours, which can be extended to 72 hours in power-saving mode. The watch also includes a low-temperature mode to extend battery life in cold weather. However, the Fenix 8's battery life varies according to model size and display type. The AMOLED variants provide up to 16 days of smartwatch mode and 47 hours of GPS mode. With proper sun exposure, the solar-powered MIP display models can extend battery life to 28 days or more. In maximum battery GPS mode, it can last up to 180 hours. While both watches have outstanding battery life, the Garmin Fenix 8, particularly in its Solar Edition, provides more runtime for extended adventures and ultra-endurance activities. The Amazfit T Rex 3 is positioned as a more affordable choice, with a recommended retail price of €300. This places it in the mid-range category of advanced sports watches. The Garmin Fenix 8, on the other hand, is a premium product with a much higher price tag. The 43mm AMOLED variant starts at $999, while the 51mm solar-powered model costs $1,199. The Garmin Fenix 8 and Amazfit T Rex 3 both provide amazing features for outdoor athletes. They all have strong designs, complete health tracking, and a wide range of sports modes. The Fenix 8 stands out for its high-quality materials, advanced mapping, and specialized sensors, and the T Rex 3 impresses with its bright AMOLED display and extensive sports profiles. Both have long battery lives, but Garmin's solar options extend them much more. Garmin may be ahead in most categories, providing more detailed information and a larger ecosystem. However, Amazfit offers a great package at a substantially cheaper cost, making it an appealing option for budget-conscious individuals. Ultimately, the decision is based on personal needs and budget. Those who require the latest features and are prepared to invest may prefer the Fenix 8, whilst those looking for a capable adventure watch without breaking the bank may find the T Rex 3 to be the best option. That's all for today. Let us know which one you prefer between these two amazing smartwatches in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to enjoy more videos like this.